For more than 75 years, Bell has earned trust where it matters most, on the fire line. Wildfires start small, but they can grow fast. The first hours define final outcomes. An effective initial attack can reduce the area burned by up to 78%, so the aircraft you launch first has to deliver. Meet the Subaru Bell 412 EPX, purpose-built for places where wildfires rage. With more torque from an upgraded transmission, the aircraft can carry a crew of up to 15, delivering performance that is 15% better when flying in hot and high conditions. It boasts an increased internal payload of 300 pounds and an impressive 1,100 pounds of increased external payload. Cargo hook capacity? That's better too. 500 pounds more than previous 412 models, meaning you can lift more, carry more. The Subaru Bell 412 EPX is the next evolution of the Bell medium family. Engineered to lift more, climb faster, and perform when temperatures rise and terrain gets tough. There's a reason Bell dominates. With more than 70% of the global firefighting fleet among medium-class helicopters, fire agencies around the world choose Bell for one reason. When fires form, Bell delivers. Speed, capacity, and control you can rely on, with performance you can feel on every mission. The Subaru Bell 412 EPX. Launch fast, carry more, keep small fires small.